Hi, Lee Phillips here, and I'm going to answer the question today, what's an estate planner? Now, I'm a lawyer, and I do estate planning for people. That's wills and trusts and durable powers of attorney and all of that sort of stuff. But it's been, 30 years ago, you had the insurance agents. And they thought, insurance agent, we don't want to be an insurance agent. So all the insurance agents became estate planners. And they would hand you off to the lawyer. Usually they were in cahoots. It's a legal form to share fees, but they figured out a way to do it. And the insurance people became financial planners or estate planners. And financial planner is, in theory, the guy who handles your money. The estate planner is the guy who does your wills and your trusts and that sort of stuff for you. What happens after you die? A lot of people will tag themselves with that label, estate planner, even though they're not lawyers, and there's no magic term in the law that says this guy is an estate planner. So anybody basically can call themselves an estate planner. They call themselves financial planners, estate planners, but that's a lot better than insurance agent or annuity salesman or whatever you want to call them. And so it's a pretty broad term today, the estate planner. I'm going to say technically an estate planner is a lawyer who does wills and trusts and that sort of thing for people. So what's an estate planner? I guess it's in the eye of the beholder. Now don't forget to subscribe, and we'll put out more of these little YouTube videos and answer your questions. In fact, send us a question. Send it to info, I-N-F-O, at legalees, legalees.com, and we'll see if we can put up a YouTube on the question that you ask. We'll give you ebooks. We've got one out on financial planning. We've got one out on how to use a living revocable trust. We're happy to get that to you. Just click the link and we'll send you out an electronic version of it. Not a lot of skin off our teeth if we do that, and we're happy to help you. It's Lee Phillips, and I am happy to help you.